Welcome. Come on in. So I'm Dr. Mike Berardis, and this is our chiropractic office. I want to show you around a little bit. So this is our lobby. This is our entrance where people are greeted and with a happy face, and they're signing in and handling all the front desk activities and paperwork. And then come on in this way. This is our new patient room where we do a consultation. We go over what's most important to you, talk about how we can help you, and then we start the exam process right here. And then come on in this way. After we go over consultation and your history, then we're going to do our exam, which consists of balance and posture testing. We do range of motion testing, which tests your ability to turn and bend. And then we decide what x-rays we're going to take. X-rays are very important, and we have a very high-tech unit here that helps us be laser beam specific and very accurate in determining where your main problem is coming from. We try to get to the root cause of your problem. The second day, you would come back, and in this room, we'll go over your findings, and we'll talk about a game plan, something we can do together to help you reach your health goals. And so we'll look at your x-rays together. We'll talk about that specific, very individualized game plan to help you reach those health goals. And then we'll start treatment. So follow me down the hall and I'll show you where the magic happens. By the way, I think you know what this room is. This is our pristinely clean bathroom, his and hers.
Oh my gosh.
So this is the health and healing sanctuary. This is where we do all the work. So to start, we have these Bosu balls, or what we call wiggle balls, and those activate core muscles and discs and nerves, help you warm up before your adjustment, your treatment. Come on over here. We have two identical benches that help us with our treatment protocol, and we do a primary CBP type, which is chiropractic biophysics. It's a corrective care technique. We have ArthroStim, adjusting instrument, which is a high-speed vibration, very gentle, very effective. We also utilize the activator technique as well. We also have a vibration plate for people with balance and vestibular problems, people who get dizzy or can't seem to regain their balance. We do cervical traction in-house, and we do a lot of education. So we try to teach people the proper exercise and the utilization of that exercise to help maximize their recovery. So that's the office tour. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you ever need any help, we're here to serve. And remember, stay informed and get adjusted.